You will be amazed by this 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Answer the call to adventure in high-tech comfort in this sophisticated Santa Cruz. Open bed utility and a composed upscale cabin make this a uniquely versatile and satisfying vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm. Don't skimp on comfort to get the utility you need. Get the best of both worlds in this impressive Santa Cruz. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.